At noon, the San Francisco Municipal Transportation Agency is voting on a $21 billion plan that could include a new subway at West Portal.
The SFMTA Board of Directors is set to vote on a 20-year capital plan. It's essentially a $21 billion wish list. The capital plan is the first step in identifying potential projects and funding. It would include a new light rail tunnel, moving the M line underground between West Portal and Park Merced. That project would make the entire M line a subway and add underground stations. And it's set to cost $2.5 billion.
First, we have to identify funding. It looks very promising thus far. We've received support from the homeowners associations and from Stonestown. Local schools in the area are very supportive of the idea.
Assuming SFMTA gets the funding, the underground M-Line project is expected to take 10 to 15 years to complete.